Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a cranberry salsa. And we're moving right along with the Christmas spectacular. But if you have not, about 80% of you that watch my videos are unsubscribed, so if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be great. Or make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube loves unsubscribing people. All right, so the first thing we got to do is roughly chop and seed one jalapeno pepper and get the juice of 2 limes. And then we want to add 1 bunch of cilantro that's been roughly chopped. And then you want to add 1 bunch of green onions that you've cut into lengths of about 3 inches. Again, this salsa, this cranberry salsa, can be made in 5 minutes, including prep time. Now, I will say, if I had to do this again, I would actually start pulsating stuff, because it did take a minute for the food processor to pulsate everything properly, or chop everything properly, so I would have done it in stages. But, live and learn. And now we want to add just a bit of salt, about a half a teaspoon. I just eyeballed it. Salt and pepper to taste. And about the same amount of freshly ground black pepper. And then you want to add a 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries. At this point, yeah, I'm starting to be like, okay, time to press this down. Like I said, if I give one piece of advice that I didn't do, it's kind of blend this in stages, and now I'm starting to realize that. Okay. And then you want to add 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and that's really it for adding ingredients. Now it's just getting the food processor to chop everything up. Don't worry, I know it looks like it's just going to grind the bottom stuff, but don't worry, everything eventually got caught up on the blades. See? Everything eventually goes that way. All right, let's transfer to a serving bowl. And it's in a bowl, ready to go for your holiday chip needs. So, that's cranberry salsa. Done.